The best thing about Sylvie, the best thing about Sylvie. Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, welcome back to another wig review, that is. Today's wig comes from Freetress Equal HD Lace front wig, level up. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you.
This Freetress Equal HD Lace wig I have in the style Sylvie, and I have in the color FF Golden Brown. Some specs about Sylvie. Sylvie comes with 3 combs, two in the front, 1 in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Sylvie is a synthetic lace front wig. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline. The lace also bends perfectly if you choose to do so by laying it down with some got-to-be glue or with some hairspray. The wig also comes with ready-to-wear curls that you could just finger comb. Sylvie is a beautiful wig. I love the curls. I love the dimensions. I love how the color falls. The best thing about Sylvie, she's under $30. Under $30. I said it. Sylvie's under $30. So go ahead and pick Sylvie up. Sylvie is perfect for the upcoming Christmas party if you are going in person to the Christmas party. If you need a wig for New Year's, Sylvie is that wig. Get her. That's what she is there for. You don't have to curl her. It already comes curls. It already comes with curls. It is beginner friendly. It is big friendly. You don't necessarily have to lay Sylvie down all the way across with your got-to-be glue. You could just do some baby hairs and boom, ready to go out the door. That's how easy Sylvie is. I mean, what else do you need? Nothing. A wig cap, Sylvie, baby hairs, boom, you out the door. Sylvie is your wig for Christmas and for New Year's and maybe for Thanksgiving. Sylvie is here for the holidays. She is here to stay. So what would I rate Sylvie? Before I tell you what I rate Sylvie, Sylvie has the potential to tangle at the nape area. Mine, although has not tangled, she has the potential to tangle. I haven't gotten any shedding from Sylvie, minimal flyaways, which is always a good thing because you know I can't stand here on my lip gloss. So yeah. What would I rate Sylvie? For convenience, I'll rate Sylvie a 9.5 out of 10. For me, I'll rate her a 7 because I don't think these curls are good on me. I don't know. They're just a little too tight. Maybe. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the curls on my face. I don't know. I didn't think they complimented me very well, although the curls are gorgeous. I just don't think they're my cup of tea. But go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section of what you think. Does Sylvie look okay on me? Can I rock Sylvie? Can I go out and, you know, people not stare and be like, oh my god, what does she got on her head? But yeah, but besides that, I love Sylvie. If, you know, the curls weren't so tight, she'd probably get a 10. Yeah, I'm giving 10s left and right. Anyway, as a reminder, this wig is from Freetress Equal. It is an HD lace front wig and it is in the style Sylvie, and I have Sylvie in the color FF Golden Brown. So that's it I have for you today, guys. If you are in the market for a wig for the holidays, I would say go ahead and pick this wig up, seeing that it is beginner friendly and budget friendly. If you got to the end of the video, I'd like to say a big old thank you to you. And if this is something that resonates with you and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, go ahead and share the video. Also leave me a comment down below of what you thought about my review. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you next I will see you in the next week. Bye.